Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be bringing you a review, unboxing, and kind of sort of swatching of some makeup brushes that I got from Amazon. And no, it's not sponsored. I got this with my own money. Well, my husband bought it for me. I got these makeup brushes from Amazon for about $9.99. I will link them down below and I will let you guys know my honest opinion about these and my rating, and let's get started. And I'm going to go ahead and link it down below for you guys. But of course it states, and I quote, "Makeup brushes set professional from any array of eyeshadow foundation brushes to a concealer brush to eyelash and blusher brushes, 32-piece soft makeup brush kit. These vegan and cruelty-free brushes have soft synthetic bristles that work perfectly with any formula." End quote. So they have different colors. They have purple, black, pink, blue, champagne, and the prices vary from $4.99, $36.99, $9.99, $5.99, $8.99, $7.99, and so on. So it just depends which color you want, but all of the ones that are like the black, the blue, the champagne, all have the same 32-piece sets of brushes. So it comes like this, and in the other side it has your personal information. They don't even put it in an Amazon bag. Well, mine they didn't. They just left it like this, and they just put the sticker in the front with my information. That's it. And then of course it says warning and basically choking hazard for the bag. So let's open this. I thought it was a zipper. It's not a zipper. It's a Yuwaku. This is the brand Yuwaku. And it's like this. And I got a purple one, but they gave me a pink one. I'm just realizing that. Oh well. Okay. So I don't know if I should pull here. I'm gonna pull. This automatically like feels kind of like cheap. And by cheap, I mean that it will rip in a couple days. It's like that kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not heavy. Ew. Wow, this is a lot of brushes. Actually, I should open this up for you guys. Oh, these are pretty. These do have a lot of like so these right off the bat smell like plastic, and I think it's because of all the plastic that is used to protect the brushes. And plus the little pouch is that sort of material that I was telling you guys about. And it does smell a lot like plastic, but it's cute. It makes you feel like you're a professional makeup artist. Just me? Okay. So this is it. Look at all those. Let's see. Let me get some of these out. Oh, it has double plastic. Wait. Ooh. You guys see that? Look at the little. Ooh, it's soft, guys. So these are all individually wrapped. They're very soft. I don't know if you guys can see that little bit of lint. Actually, it was a lot of lint. I'll just cut this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Some of these brushes have like those little hairs. So some of these brushes do have those little hairs because it's synthetic that are like sticking out. If you can, just you can cut it or whatnot, or just leave it. Let me see the eyeshadow. Hold on. I'm actually excited to try these guys. When I say a lot, I mean 32 of them. Please tell me you guys saw that. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know why it's getting powder out of here. Wait. Why is powder coming out of this? They don't seem used. Wait a minute. Are you guys seeing that? Is it getting... Like, can you guys see that through the camera? Not all of these, but some of these have, like this powder coming out of the bristles. And again, some of the bristles are very not good, meaning that it has a lot of, like, sticking out, but it's fine. And makeup brushes. Let me go ahead and try some makeup on with this. Of course, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use this brush. That one had some of that little powder. Let me go in with the Pink Page one. Just grab product good. It does apply the product well, and it does grab enough product to distribute on your eyelid. So right now all I'm doing is that I'm just getting random brushes to apply the makeup, just to have a feel for it. Final thought, guys. So for me, out of 10, I would rate these makeup brushes a 9. The only reason I gave them a 9 is because some of these brushes, when I start like unpackaging them and you kind of like move it, like this like powder consistency comes out of it as if they were used, but I know they're not used because they're packaged in here, or at least I think they're not. But other than that, I really like that they come in this little cute bag, kind of like professional makeup artist, and I do like the colors that they offer. Other than that, I really do like this makeup brush set, guys. 1, it's inexpensive. 2, there's 32 of them in here. 3, it has this little case like a professional makeup artist. I really like that these brushes are very soft. The color is pretty. I like the pouch that it comes with. I really like that it's inexpensive and you get 32 of them for that inexpensive price. So again, not sponsored, this is my honest review. The only thing that I didn't like is that powder consistency that comes out some of the brushes and the smell that's kind of plasticky. But some of the brushes do have that smell, but mostly it's just like the pouch. I'm just being honest, guys. And especially that you can literally just roll it and take it with you anywhere. The brushes are super soft, which surprised me. The brushes kind of remind me of the Wet n Wild and e.l.f. makeup brushes. And I mean, 32 of them for $4.99 ranging up. Depends if they're on sale or whatnot, but I really do like them, guys. So I will definitely be using these makeup brushes again. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. And I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.